Hi students, in this video we will be solving question number 14 from the exercise 10.2 of the chapter straight lines, and this is the first PU syllabus. If you go to playlist and look for straight lines, in that folder you will be able to find all the sums related to this chapter, and also you can find the derivations related to this chapter. Now let us check question number 14 now. Find the equation of the line through the point 0, 2. There is a line which passes through 0, 2 and makes an angle 2 pi by 3 with positive direction of x-axis. That is, this is angle of inclination. This particular line is making an angle of 2 pi by 3 with the positive direction of x-axis. See, pi by 3 is 60 degrees. 2 pi by 3 is 2 times 60 degrees, which is 120 degrees. So this line is making an angle of 120 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. Now we have to find the equation of the line and also find the equation of the line parallel to it. There is another line which is parallel to the first line. We have to find the equation of that line also, and that parallel line crosses the y-axis at a distance of 2 units below the origin. So we have to find equations of two parallel lines. Let us understand this with the help of rectangular coordinate system. We have considered x and y axis, and we have considered the line which passes through 0, 2. So 0, 2 is a point which lies on y-axis. So this is the point. Now this makes an angle of 2 pi by 3. Now you can see that why did we take the line like this? It is because it is making an angle of 120 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. This is the positive direction of x-axis, right? Yes, it is making an angle of 120 degrees with positive direction of x-axis. That is why the line is like this. If this were to be less than 90, then we would have considered the line to be like this. So now the slope will also be negative because the inclination is more than 90 degrees. Now we know the angle of inclination, right? We can easily find the slope, and there is one point on the line that we know, and we can apply point slope form of a line and we can find the equation. Now we also have to find the equation of the line which is parallel to this. That is, another line is here and it crosses y-axis at a distance of 2 units below the origin. It is like this. So this point of intersection, again this point is on y-axis. And what is the coordinates of this point? It is 0, minus 2. Minus 2 is because it is below origin. Okay, is this clear? Now we have to find the equation of both the lines. Let us start with the sum. To find the equation of the first line which passes through 0, 2 and makes an angle of 2 pi by 3. And we already know that m is equal to tan theta. That is, slope of the line is equal to tan of inclination. So we have to find tan 2 pi by 3 now. See, it lies in the second quadrant. Tan function is negative in the second quadrant. So 2 pi by 3 is 120, right? 120 can be written as 180 minus 60. Yes, that is what I have written in terms of radians. It is tan of pi minus pi by 3. If you find difficulty in solving when the angle is given in radians, just convert it to degrees and try to solve. But I recommend you to learn both the ways. You should be knowing how to find the value when angle is given in radians and also in degrees. So it is very important for you to learn this also. I have made a detailed video on the chapter trigonometric functions. Go to playlist and look for trigonometric functions. I have explained in detail how to solve such sums. Okay. Now tan of pi minus pi by 3 is minus tan pi by 3. Why is it so? Because this angle lies in second quadrant and tan function is negative in second quadrant. So it is minus tan pi by 3, which is equal to minus root 3. So what is the slope of the line? It is minus root 3. We know a point on the line and we have found the slope of the line. We can find the equation of this line using point slope form of a line. That is, y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. For x naught and y naught, we have to substitute this point 0, 2, and for m, we are substituting this slope. So it is y minus 2 is equal to minus root 3 into x minus 0. Simplify this. Y minus 2 is equal to minus root 3x, which will be root 3x plus y minus 2 equal to 0 when expressed in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now we have found the equation of this line. Now we have to find the equation of the line which is parallel to this line. We already know a condition. What is that condition? When two lines are parallel, their slopes will be equal. Why will that be? Because the angle of inclination will be same. Angle of inclination of both the lines will be same. So when two lines are parallel, their slopes will be same. So we will use this condition to find the equation of this second line. And we also know a point on the line from the data, right? It is 0, -2. We'll use these two data to find the equation of the line. Again, we are going to use point slope form of the line. It is 0, -2 and the slope is -√3. So substituting that in the point slope form gives us y minus of -2 equal to -√3 into x minus 0. So y plus 2 is equal to -√3x. After rewriting, we get the equation of the line to be √3x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. We have found the equations of two parallel lines. Now look at the equations and just compare. X and y terms are same, right? When two lines are parallel, in their equations only this c term will be different. Is this clear? The other two terms will remain the same. Or if you see any two equations like this, they differ by this constant c, then understand that those two are equations of two parallel lines. Is this clear, students? If you still have any doubt, please do mention it in the comment section.